Hey boys and girls, today we're going to read the story From Egg to Chicken. Now I want you to think, is this book going to be fiction or non-fiction? Remember, stories that are fiction are pretend and stories that are non-fiction are real. So which one is this? You're right, this is going to be non-fiction. It's real. I can tell that by looking at the cover and seeing, that's a real chicken on that cover and probably a real egg too. Today we're going to talk about the life cycle of a chicken and we're going to learn all about how chickens grow up from egg to chicken. Have you ever seen a chicken? A chicken is a kind of bird. It has feathers, wings, and a beak. People keep some chickens on farms. Eggs come from chickens. This chicken is a white leghorn hen. You will learn how a chicken is born, grows up, has babies, gets old, and dies. This is the chicken's life cycle. How does the hen's life cycle start? What do you guys think it's going to start as Oh, you are correct. Laying eggs. The hen starts life as an egg. The mother hen lays her eggs in a nest. There is a baby chicken in each egg. A baby chicken is called a chick. The eggs are white and oval shaped with hard shells. The mother hen lays one egg a day. When she has laid about 5 eggs, she sits on them. Chicks growing in the eggs need to keep warm. How did our eggs keep warm? You're right, they were inside the incubator. When does the chick hatch? Hatching. 3 weeks later, the mother hen hears a tapping sound. The eggs are starting to hatch. Chicks are pecking through the eggshells. The chick uses her hard beak to crack the eggshell. Then she pushes her body out of her egg. Hatching is hard work. What does the baby chick look like? What do you guys think? A new chick. The new chick has yellow feathers. Her feathers are wet. They quickly dry out. The feathers keep the chick warm. A new chick has damp or wet feathers. Soon, all the other chicks in the nest have hatched. They start peeping and looking around. The feathers are soon dry and fluffy. Does the chick stay close to her mother? Off exploring. The chick is just 1 week old. The chick stays close to her mother. She follows her mother wherever she goes. Chicks feel safe if they stay close to their mother. When she is older, the chick starts to explore the farmyard. The young chicks have special food that looks like breadcrumbs. New feathers. As the chick grows, they change colors. They have grown white feathers instead of their fluffy yellow ones. By about 6 weeks old, the chick is much bigger. She starts to look more like her mother. The chicken has grown and has new feathers. When does the chick leave her mother? Leaving her mother. The chick is now 2 months old. She's ready to leave her mother. The chick can take care of herself. The chicks are big enough to explore by themselves. On the farm, she lives with other chicks. They live in a pen in the farmyard. There's space to run around. What does the chick eat now? Hungry chicks. The older chicks get special chick food to eat. The food helps the chicks to grow and stay healthy. The food has grains, fat, and vitamins in it. The chicks peck the ground for juicy worms and insects to eat. Sometimes the farmer gives the chicks bits of fruit. When does the chick lay her first egg? first egg. The chick is 5 months old and almost fully grown. She is now called a hen. One day she sits in a quiet place and lays her first egg. The hen has not mated, so there are no chicks in her eggs. The farmer collects the eggs. These are the eggs we can buy in the store and eat. What's a male chicken called? Cock-a-doodle-doo! A male chicken is called a rooster. The rooster is about 8 months old, and a rooster looks and sounds different from a hen. The rooster looks after the hens. He chases away other roosters. If a hen wanders off, he runs after her. Time to mate. The hen is 1 year old. She's ready to mate. The rooster mates with the hen. After she mates, the hen can lay eggs with chicks in them. The chicks hatch after 21 days. Staying safe. Sometimes a hungry fox sneaks into the farmyard. Foxes steal hens to eat from the hen house. If she stays safe, a hen can live until she's about 7 years old. A rooster can live until he is about 10 years old. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this map of our chicken so we can see all the different parts of the chicken. So let's start right here. Here are the chicken's eyes. Here is the beak. She's covered with feathers. This is her tail. Here is her wing. And these are her feet. Boys and girls, watch the next video and I'm going to explain the chicken life cycle one more time. Bye.